today I'm reviewing the Provence Beauty Glow Up Luminescent Facial Serum, which is really a vitamin C serum without vitamin C in the name. Anyway, just to confuse everyone a little bit. Anyway, I purchased all these products with my own money. I'll never waste your time with sponsored ads or videos, so if that's something you're into, like, subscribe, share the video, check out the links below, or check out my Patreon community. So, you know what? Occasionally I've seen this brand at TJ Maxx with some different products, but a few months ago I was at Ulta and noticed a nice lineup of products that seem really well formulated and very price friendly. So I started testing them out, and one of you reminded me to review this one. I mentioned it a while back and asked me when I was going to review it, so finally, here we go. Okay, so they say, reveal your brightest glow, avec, which is with in French, because I took French and I can remember that. Anyway, with the Glow Up Luminescent Facial Serum from Provence Beauty, a potent 15% vitamin C treatment that's formulated with 3 types of vitamin C to reduce the appearance of dark spots, even skin tone, and boost glow. And the addition of mica gives skin an immediate luminosity. And I'm not a big fan of mica in skincare because I kind of always think of mica as a makeup ingredient, but this is typically going to be a daytime serum, so you're not really using it at night, so then not a big deal. So, okay, first criteria is packaging. I like the packaging. It's fun, and I like the fact that it's got a pump, so the bottle is glass, so it's recyclable. It's got a pump top, which is really nice for vitamin C. I'm not sure why more vitamin Cs don't have a very convenient type of packaging, but most of them are dropper bottles, which are messy, but this one is a pump bottle, which I really appreciate. In terms of denatured drying types of alcohol, it does not contain any of those. It's also fragrance-free, but it does have a little bit of that vitamin C smell to it. Some people describe it as kind of a smell like rust a little bit. Some people call it hot dog water. It just has that little bit of a scent to it, but it's not terribly noticeable. It dissipates pretty quickly, and it'd be a shame for somebody not to use vitamin C because of that smell. But it is noticeable and stronger in some other products. This one's not terrible. The manufacturing location for this one is the U.S., so no issues with that. I guess I'll do a pH test since we've got 3 different types of ascorbic acid or vitamin C. Let's see. These are my favorite pH test strips. I've had different types of test strips, and what is this? Meshri Nagel. www.mn-net.com. They're my favorite. Although I get them from Amazon. Okay, so let's see if I can get a pH test here. Okay, so a pH of this one I would say is right around 3-ish. So no issues with that. Yeah, right around 3. There we go. Which is good for vitamin C. So ease of use, so you can use this. I prefer and recommend using it in your morning routine, after cleansing, making it the first product used after cleansing, or if you tone, then apply vitamin C as soon onto your skin as you can because you want it to absorb and work better. So there we go. So massage 2 or 3 pumps onto skin, face, neck, wherever you want. Sometimes your décolleté if you want to apply it there. So personally, if you can use this in your daytime routine, that is the best. That is the best use of vitamin C because it helps your sunscreen work better. It protects your skin from free radical and sunlight damage, and it helps your sunscreen work better. But you still need to use sunscreen. So use it in your morning routine if at all possible, and then in your evening routine, that's when I focus on exfoliants or retinols or azelaic acid, things like that. So vitamin C or an antioxidant serum in your daytime routine is always going to be your best bet. If your skin doesn't tolerate vitamin C, then focus on an antioxidant product that has strong antioxidant like pycnogenol or resveratrol or the Niode Survival, something like that. But vitamin C is always going to be your best bet because it is the most studied, researched antioxidant out there and one of the most researched skincare ingredients in total. So very nice product, absorbs nicely. It sets to kind of a natural finish that is just slightly tacky. It's not terribly so. It works well underneath sunscreen and moisturizers and feels really nice. I personally don't think they need to add the mica in here because you're going to apply this, and then most people, you should if you're not, are going to apply a sunscreen over it, and then some people We'll also apply a foundation over it. So by that point, the mica and the lumosity, it doesn't really, you can't tell it under 5 other layers. But otherwise, it's very easy to use and feels really nice on the skin. Some vitamin C serums feel greasy or sticky or pill or thick, and this does not have any of those problems at all. It feels really nice. Okay, I'm going to talk about the ingredients in a second. In terms of animal testing, this is cruelty-free and vegan, so that's awesome. In terms of performance, I'm very impressed with this serum. It feels very nice on the skin. It doesn't look greasy or feel greasy. You can wear it all day, and at the end of the day, it doesn't accentuate dry patches or flakiness. Your skin doesn't feel dry or irritated. Certain vitamin C serums make my lips sometimes get kind of irritated or itchy or dry, and I haven't had that. Works great under sunscreen. I will say I've noticed some brightening with this. I'm not sure which vitamin C source it is. Maybe it's the combination of 3 of them, but it's really worked nice for me. I'm very impressed with it. Nice thing is for acne prone skin, there's only 1 ingredient of note, and that's cetyl alcohol, sorry. So otherwise, it's pretty friendly for most skin types, including sensitive, so very nice. In terms of the price, this is a full size 1 ounce, 30 milliliters, retails for about $24, so it's a bargain. Really nice. Okay, in terms of the ingredients, sorry, I bit my cheek chewing on watermelon the other day, and then you keep like biting it, you know? You ever have that where you bite it and then you just keep biting it over and over again? Anyway, I'm trying not to bite it again. Okay, in terms of the beneficial ingredients, so we've got 15% combo of 3 different types of vitamin C. So we've got L-Ascorbic acid, which is a stable form of vitamin C. It's very promising. It may have antioxidants and brightening benefits for skin. There needs to be more research done on that derivative. Then we've got the big kahuna L-Ascorbic acid, the most researched form of vitamin C. It has the brightening, antioxidant, skin protecting, anti-acne, skin collagen producing benefits for skin. It helps your sunscreen work better, fights off free radical environmental damage, and it is one of the few ingredients that helps your skin produce more collagen. You see collagen in a lot of creams and moisturizers. You can't really apply collagen, make collagen, but vitamin C or L-ascorbic acid will make collagen for you. So it's one of the few ingredients that do that, and it is wonderful. Otherwise, the older you get, the less collagen you have, and then you start to look older. Okay, next up we've got Tetrahexyldecyl Ascorbate, which is the 3rd vitamin C derivative in this. It's stable if the pH is lower than 5. It's shown to have the potential for the brightening and antioxidant benefits. Preliminary, but more research needs to be done before I'm sold on it, which is why it's nice that they added in the other different 2 types of vitamin C in addition to that, because maybe one of them in the long run will be proven beneficial, and then we're all good. So they also add some other nice ingredients in here. We've got everlasting flower extract, which is a potential extract with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. We've got Pinus Pinaster Maritime bark extract, which is the extract used to make pycnogenol, which has amazing skin protecting and free radical fighting benefits for your skin. It's an amazing ingredient. Kakadu plum extract, antioxidant, skin brightening. We've got white mulberry leaf extract, skin conditioning ingredient. Sea buckthorn oil, which is a source of vitamin C and also has antioxidant, skin protecting, and brightening benefits. And then we've got shea butter, which is an emollient. So a nice list of ingredients in here, and skin protecting, free radical fighting ingredients. Last but not least, the it factor. So there's some dupes for this one. Notably, a very similar alternative is the Barbara Sturm Good C Vitamin C Serum, which is hundreds of dollars. So you could spend hundreds of dollars on that, or you could save some money and get this goodie. The Tula Triple Vitamin C Serum is also similar. The Glow Recipe Guava C Serum is another dupe. And then the Sobel Skin Vitamin C 35% Fusion Serum. If I had to change anything this serum, I think the only thing I'd probably change would be the mica in it. Otherwise, I really enjoy this. It seems to work well under moisturizer. I just don't think the mica is really necessary, but you know what? Maybe it makes it really lovely for some people, and I guess if you're not going to apply anything else over it, then maybe that luminosity helps. I don't know. Feels nice. So Anyway, with a 10 being a perfect score, I give this one a 10. It's got everything going on for it. Affordable, cruelty-free, well-packaged, well-formulated. It hits all the things, and it's just worth trying in my opinion. So, interested hearing from you guys if you had a chance to check this one out yet or not. And if you have what your thoughts are, leave a comment. Love hearing from you guys, and stay tuned for more tomorrow. Thanks so much. Bye, guys.